Fourth, pre-competitive skill test. So, it has to be considered whether it is relief in taxation which will lead to a reduction of unemployment, or whether it is raising of taxation to the utmost levels which will dry up resources and channels of capital formation, and thereby not only retard all further development but might also throw the functioning of present industries out of gear. Full stop. So, my submission is that when the taxation inquiry committee has been appointed, it is only logical to expect that no substantial changes in the taxation structure will be made until the findings of that expert committee are known, until we know the incidence of taxation in the various sectors of our economy. Full stop. New paragraph. Those were the things that were part of life itself, and they were the things in danger of being lost, lost forever. Full stop. If, once she and her little family left there, they would never return. Full stop. And it was of that possible going away that she thought so seriously as she sat by the little window on that peaceful June day. Full stop. Father had been offered a good position in the city, and while he said that he would do whatever she wished in the matter, while he left it to her to say yes or no, while he desired very much to take up the position, and she knew that this was so. Full stop. The departments have not only delayed the information often, but they, if they have not delayed, provided it incomplete and piecemeal. Full stop. New paragraph. It has already been stressed that the purpose of publicity is defeated with lapse of time, and people lose interest in matters which are not of topical interest. Full stop. This fact is as true about daily press news stories as about government and films. Full stop. The publication pertaining to a subject which has been almost forgotten will not be paid any attention and would cause considerable embarrassment to government. Full stop. The governor of West Pakistan has taken a very serious view of this attitude and thus desired that information required for purpose of publicity should be promptly provided to the information department as and when required. Full stop.